Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you haven't been following, this is the progress on the 46 Chevy truck. Motor stuff.
Got the motor mocked up. It's just tacked in there so we could see how it's going because we still have to box the frame rails and figure out the steering we're gonna do. But here, come here, check this out. Are you helping today? Yeah, that's what I thought. So, if you want to play with LS's, you're gonna run into this problem a lot. That one doesn't look real bad, but that one right there is not too deep. We should be able to get to it. You're gonna need to learn how to take care of those. Okay. Alright. What's that thing? Cheese grater. Fire truck cheese grater? You want to weld?
Yeah, it's welding time.
Want to learn how to weld? Alright. Hold on. So, do a little practice first. Don't go there. Hold on. You're gonna flash me. This is just a scrap piece. Try to, yeah, you can sit down. Try to weld right in the middle of that nut. Keep going. You'll hold it for a little bit longer. Do it again, but hold it for like 3 seconds. Nice. Okay, hold on. See what you're doing there? See how you're filling it up in the middle?
Yeah.
That's pretty good. You want to practice again? You want to practice on another one?
Yeah.
Practice on. See if you can fill up the middle of that. It's okay. You're missing it. Try to get in the middle.
I love that noise.
Keep going. Fill her up. You're not looking at that, are you? You see how you're just getting the side?
Yeah.
Try to get it in the middle. But you're doing good. It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Did you pay attention? Come here. Come to me. Come to Butthead. You got it? Now look, let's try something different with you. Don't point at my face, dude. Ready? You see the bolt?
Yeah.
Try to weld the bolt to the plate.
Is that good?
Yeah, sure. See if you can fill that hole up. Get it real close and hold it steady. Did you get spark? Yeah, it sucks, don't it? Ooh, that's just as good as the guys at work to do it. Are you done?
Yeah.
Hey. So this one's easy. We could probably put the vice grips and get it out, but this is more fun. Here. Put the nut on. Now do like you just practiced over there, and put a little bit of weld in the middle of that nut. Try not to weld Grandpa's ground clamp right to the nut too. There we go. Try to weld the nut onto there. Hold it for longer. That ought to do it. Wrench. You put the wrench on the nut and twist it up. No, just don't touch it, it'll burn, okay? You get it?
No.
You bent the wrench. Here, it's turning. Look. Ready? You're doing it, man. Yeah. I think the heat helps more than anything. Nice. Broken exhaust bolt removed. One for you. It's just need a little practice before you weld on one that part in the head.
Where?
See that bolt right there?
Oh, that
Pick that up. Moving.
No.
We need to get this out. Ah! Fucking broke it.
Ow!
See it? Gotta work it a little bit. It's all rusty and corroded. And it's all kinds of stuff. 2 down. Alright, all cleaned up. All good. What do you think?
I think it looks good.
Do you like welding?
Yeah.
Welding's fun.
If you haven't yet, subscribe and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye. Out.